Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickFunnels account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or install a share funnel in your ClickFunnels? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import a share funnel from ClickFunnels anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're building out funnels, you know that it's time consuming. So sometimes you can buy ready-made funnels and import it into your ClickFunnels. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickFunnels account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickFunnels and this is the home screen. Now, in order to import a share funnel, you're going to need to get the link from whoever's sharing it with you. So that could be your boss. It could be somebody you purchased it from, and they're going to give you that link. If you need help finding that link, go back and watch my other video that describes in detail how to create one. But a quick rundown, you're going to click on funnels here on the left. Once you do that, you'll see all the funnels you're running, and then you want to click on the funnel that you're sharing. So for example, this one here on the right, you're going to see this little gear icon. Click on there. And once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see a button, share funnel and create link. Once they click on that, it's going to generate a share funnel link right here. And then they're just going to copy here. And this is the link they're going to give to you. So once you get this link, in order to install this funnel into your ClickFunnels, you're just going to open up a browser and paste in this link. Okay, so once you paste in the link that was shared with you, it's going to ask if you want to install this funnel in your ClickFunnels. They do warn you that make sure that you know the author, because you can install custom code, which could include viruses and things like that. But as long as it's a trusted source, go ahead and choose your company right here and click on the workspace you want to install the funnel to. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now you're going to see this funnel claim initiated. They let you know they're installing the new funnel that was shared with you. So depending on how complex the funnel is or how many steps, it could take a little bit. Usually when I am installing a share funnel, it goes through within a few minutes, as you see right here. Okay, now we've installed your new funnel. And as you can see right here, it's the copy that's added into my ClickFunnels. So if we click into this, it's going to be a copy of whatever was shared with you. There you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to install or import a funnel that was shared with you through ClickFunnels, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.